This here is my new SWR power meter that does 270 centimeters. Let's have a look and see what's in the box. So there's the manual in there. So I've been told that this is old, but people have said that it's very reliable. So let's have a look and see how well it tests. There it is. So you can put in 12 volts, 13 volts onto there if you want it to light up. There's a little, but we won't do that now. And it's pretty simple, just plug the antenna and the transmitter there, and you can select high or low power. So let's see how it works. In the pack is a mounting holder and some screws as well. So I'll put those on because I think that would look good, sit on the desk quite nicely. Nice shiny new plugs. Haven't been used by the look of it, even though it's quite an old meter. And plug the antenna in. And I'll plug the transmitter on this end. Okay, I'm on 2 meters here. It's a repeater that I can't access, and I'm only putting out 750 milliwatts. Let's see, so I'm on the low power at the moment. So I've got the button out. I might bump the power up. There we go, 5 watts. So there we go, it's gone up just above 5 watts. And yeah, SWR is really good. About there, 1.2, something like that. So if you haven't seen one of these meters before, this needle here will show the forward power that goes out to the antenna. So that's how much power the radio is putting out. And this will show you the reverse power. So this is how much power is coming back down the antenna and back into your radio. So obviously you want this not to move as much as possible. So if both is crossed at here in the middle, your SWR would be 5. So wherever the needles cross is what your SWR is. So let's have a look. So when I do it here, and so the SWR is 1.2 or thereabouts. Alright, we'll try on 70 centimeters now. This is a repeater that I can't access, and we're putting out the full 5 watts. So let's see, yep, we're just above 5 watts there, and power back is a little bit less. So SWR is about 1.5 by the look of that, 1.5. So that's the meter there, really small and easy to use. Like I said, you can plug this in to 13 volts if you want to light up. Yeah, I'd highly recommend getting a meter for 270 centimeters. Not many people do, and you never know what your antenna is until you try that. You can also see my other videos on a nano VNA, which does similar. It's a little bit more technical and does a bit more too. Well, hopefully this has been of some help to you. If it has, please like and subscribe, but also don't forget to look at our blog as well. We do have a blog, and I'd encourage you to have a look at that. Lots of interesting things on there as well. Thanks for watching.